Hey, are you learning English? Or if you're learning English, have you seen sometimes yourself while you uncomfortable learning English or feeling you cannot do anything, you cannot learn anything some days, and some days you just feel, oh, I want to learn so many things, I want to memorize all grammar, I want to memorize thousand of words and 50 sentences just one day. That has happened to me. And guys, welcome back. Today is day 62 of my learning English challenge journey, and speaking my challenge speaking while I speak in English. So last 2 months I've been speaking English every day and making practice in front of the camera. So today I'm gonna share you. I don't have any. Before I used to prepare IELTS questions and explain those IELTS questions and practice my English there, and I do that. But today I don't have any IELTS questions to talk about. So I just want to share a few things that can stop you speak the language and improve your English. And if you see all the day, it's just kind of normal thing. Is you should just ignore it and keep trying to speak English. And yeah, there we go. So for me, I've been learning English almost 60 months or yeah 60 months, complete 60 months, and last 2 months I've been speaking in front of the camera. So I practice my English few way. I practice English HelloTalk on HelloTalk application called HelloTalk. I practice English maybe 2 hours or 1 hour and a half per day. Just speak the language, talk to people. And the second one I speak in front of the camera. Like right now, I speak in English in front of you guys, and that is how I practice as well. And the third one I speak English is I speak in front of mirror. I put my wall a mirror and I just stand in front of that mirror and I just speak the language and express my surrounding as just express my day and talk about all that stuff. I really feel comfortable right now, but I used to feel all that so hard. And you may feel if you still a beginner and you it's hard to find it many words, and that's just a normal thing. And the 41 I practice my speaking is I speak just at home. Like when I play games, I try to talk about what I'm doing in English. When I just see my friends, I just try to, even if they don't speak English, I try to speak them in English. And if they don't understand me, I just translate them what I'm saying. And yeah, that's how I do. Also, I listen English podcasts, and that is how I learn words. Like I write down words and try to memorize them or see them. I don't try to memorize them, but I try to make them sentences and just like in case. But the words or my speaking come from listening English podcasts. I listen English podcasts, one podcast a day or two podcasts. So and also when I watch in my phone, all people I watch is just they speak English. I watch American TV shows, and that's how I learn English well. And all YouTubers I watch just they speak in English. I really don't watch my native language, people who speak my native language, because I just wanna use the language and try to hear every minute in English. Some people who speak English. That's how I improve my English. So here is the deal. Like since I've been learning English last 6 months, someday I feel so motivated. I want to speak the language. I want to learn a lot. And someday I feel I don't want to learn anything. I just feel and I'm motivated, so I just don't want to learn. And a lot of people someday, oh, they comment to me, oh, you speak English, how you do that every day? Like they're just saying that. So if you learn an English learner, but you feel someday you feel unmotivated, and one day you just want to feel motivated and start it there, and second day when you feel unmotivated, you just stop there. It's normal thing. So make a routine yourself. Instead of saying that I speak English, I practice my English, make a schedule and challenge yourself. Like this challenge, I make challenge 2 months ago, and I said I will speak English next 90 days. So right now I've been speaking 62 days, and I just have 28 days left. So that is the how its challenge is. Also, when I started learning English, I make a period time like 6 months. I would become. I just put on my wall that paper. But like December, I'm going to speak English very well without hesitation. So December is when it's end, and that is how you can do it. So if you're feeling unmotivated one day and like one week you just want to speak English and practice English, but another week you feel nothing comes out, you feel unmotivated, you cannot speak the way you're speaking yesterday. That's normal thing. So just don't stop. Show up like every day. Show up. Try your best. Try to write down one word. Try to write down one synthesis and try to write down or like also here is the deal when you're feeling you cannot write down things try to change it down to listen and podcasts while you feel you don't want to listen to podcasts try to write down like what is or try to read one novel or what you like articles what you look to do. So for me I would love to play games sometimes and I make a commentary the game what I'm playing if I want and I like to listen podcasts. I'm not good at reading books so the mostly I listen podcasts that's how I improve my English. So guys, today our video is that's all, and I hope you the best. If you really learn English and you're serious to speak English, you do not think about motivated and show up one week, next week just don't show up now. Just make schedule a long time schedule and try to show up every day, even 5 minutes enough. That's very, very enough. So yeah, that's today our video. So if you watching today, thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like button. And I didn't introduce myself. My name is Mukhtar, and I'm from Somalia. I learn English by myself, and I would love to speak English and become fluently one day. So see you next video. Have a good one. Ciao.